everyone, this is Alia Asif from Ocean One Private Limited, and today we are back with another very exciting episode of our one-on-one session with our very bright student Dheeraj Ahoja, who has successfully secured Germany visa. So come on and let's talk to Dheeraj and know about his journey. Okay, so Dheeraj, many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
आपका जर्मनी का वीजा अप्रूव हो गया. अच्छा, तो धीरज सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि जर्मनी फ्री प्रोग्राम के लिए जा रहे हो या प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में?
Basically, I'm just going for the private university, and that I just got the 50% off scholarship. So that's great for me as well to go on private.
Oh, wow, that's nice. So कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी है?
It's an Eden University, and I'm going for the master's program in a digital field. So it's great to have a private with the 50% off and with my all the field where
50% off is such a great
yes.
It's a very good amount of scholarship you are getting. So it's amazing. अच्छा धीरज, so आप की मतलब प्रोफाइल अच्छी थी, क्या एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड था जिस पर आपको 50% स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर हुई?
Okay, the basic background all was my software engineering, and after that I was doing an AppTech and other courses to be get it done, and as far as my all the job purposes and all education expenses, I just got this opportunity to get the 50% off for myself, and that's all a strong background I guess from my side.
Yeah,
with a good GPS.
तो यहाँ किस यूनिवर्सिटी से आपने अपना बैचलर्स कंप्लीट किया सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में?
I just done my software engineering from UIT, Usman Institute of Technology, which was affiliated with NID University.
Okay.
And after that, I was doing the AppTech and all the continuing educations. That's the main reason that there's no any gap to get this scholarship.
अरे धीरज, तो माशाल्लाह जब आपका यही इतना अच्छा बैकग्राउंड था एंड व्हाट आई बिलीव कि यहाँ काफी अच्छा स्कोप है आईटी का, तो फिर अचानक अब्रॉड जाने का ख्याल कैसे आया आपको?
I am being connected this ocean towards 2021, and due to this COVID waves, my all the budgets and all the things to be get it done, and I was just chugging all the countries towards from Australia towards now I'm going for Germany now so far. So yes, I was being accurate to go for the higher education and accurate my the expertise education.
अच्छा, मतलब आपने शुरू से सोचा हुआ था कि आपको स्टडी अब्रॉड के लिए स्टडी के लिए अब्रॉड जाना है लाजमी?
Actually, yes, I was need to go for abroad for the good time. So now I got this opportunity with the help of Ocean, and all thanks to them. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So शुरू से जर्मनी का ही सोचा हुआ था या मतलब you were
No, I was like being an Australian and Canadian and all the things. I was everywhere. I was being to be more countries, but eventually I just went for Dubai in last month. So that didn't work for me too. But I have this offer within this Jan or Feb. So yes, I did avail, and I'm deferring this towards November this time. Yeah.
That's nice. तो क्या ऐसे challenges आपने face किए इस पूरी journey में?
It was not so really hard for me because I was being connected and I was just being questioned all the time with the Ocean, especially Ma'am Maria these days. And after you just guided me out all in the all stuff regarding visa and visa filing. So it was a good journey for me. And being patient with my as my name is Dheeraj, so I was being patient about to get all the things done.
Okay, so what is the meaning of Dheeraj?
It's all by patience to get better.
Really? Patience?
Yes.
That's what Dheeraj means.
Yes, and I just keep it patience around many years, and I got this best of best opportunity.
इतना time period आपको किस चीज में लगा?
It was all backset from my side. To be really honest, that's not I was just judging out my budget issues. I was judging out the countries should I apply or not, and I just applied this for the one times country and I get it done just because of all the Ocean team.
Okay, so speaking of Ocean, you're mentioning Ocean, so Ocean One का when you thought about to go abroad, तो Ocean One का ख्याल कैसे आया कि मुझे यहाँ जाना चाहिए for my process, या किसी की recommendation थी या आपने खुद search किया था, तो उसका मुझे बताएं.
Okay, to be really honest with you, I am being a IT guy and a digital guy, so I was just looking all the consideration at that time, but I found the recommendations for Ocean as a top priority. And that's all I've been, to be really honest, I was just being here my second home after that, applying all the things. So yes, that's I'd go for the internet things.
That's very sweet. तो धीरज, आप जैसा सोच कर आए थे अपने माइंड में, तो आपको ओशन में एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा उस हवाले से?
जैसा मैं सोच के आया था, it was a much better than that because I was thinking no one be attending me every time. like early in the morning to be here. Like I've seen so many students over here sitting and waiting for their checklist, but yes, I was prioritized things.
Oh,
I found it. Yes.
Nice. Yeah, because you were connected for a very long time.
Yes. Yes.
So वो एक family bond बन जाता है इंसान का.
True.
चले. That's amazing. अच्छा तो what do you think कि जब आप अपना masters करोगे आप IT, right?
Yes.
तो उसके बाद क्या स्कोप है इसका आगे, क्या इरादा है, किस फील्ड में जाना है, क्या करना है?
Like I'm being in 4 years experience guy over here in IT and digital things, so I am thinking to go a more hi-fi jobs when I just came back, might be an after masters, and
Okay.
I might be go towards other countries exploring the new jobs and new explorations that could be like somehow settlement for my side.
Okay.
That's I found it. A good
Okay,
time.
that's nice. आपको लगता है कि इस फील्ड का पाकिस्तान में एक अच्छा स्कोप है?
It is a really a good scope in this Pakistan too, until we just got the good opportunities over here, a good being time and a good environment if I just needed that.
अच्छा धीरज, जब आपका इंटरव्यू था तो क्या लग रहा था उस वक्त जब जा रहे थे आप इंटरव्यू के लिए, तो लग रहा था कि वीजा मिल जाएगा?
If you do remember, I was just being here one day before for that all visa interview, and I was really concerned about like I have given a lots of interview in my whole life, but the visa interview was the most toughest interview for my side, and it was just for 5 minutes. After your guidance, you just prepared me for my mindset, and to be a part of that visa interview, I was being nervous at that time, but I just got the results after a month and a half, and it was.
So after
Appreciate it.
giving interview, were you expecting a visa कि नहीं अब तो मुझे वीजा मिल जाएगा?
After giving that interview, I was 100% sure I will get the visa, but again that the lack of like more documents, more time period, so that's was being a nervous as
अच्छा
well.
जर्मनी का एक मसला ये भी है ना कि आपको उस वक्त पता नहीं चलता and you have to wait like for 30-40 days, तो वो काफी एक nervous
Nervousness.
और एक butterfly feeling.
Yes. But I was confidently like people was saying अगर reject होना होता that should be like in 2 weeks, but if you will getting in more time, so that's again the patience thing work.
Okay, so when you like finally got an email or call that you can collect your passport और आपको वीजा मिल गया, तो क्या feeling हुआ था उस वक्त, क्या feeling?
I was just dancing in front of my mama, and she was like sentimental, like no, obviously family won't let me go nowadays, but obviously she was like okay, being looking at you like a good happiness, I'm okay, you can go. That's a more thing I got. Yes.
तो और family तो बड़ा emotional हो रही होगी, especially like you were dancing in front of your mom.
Yes.
She must be very happy and excited and emotional as well.
On the way of my face, she was truly happy, but inside I felt like she's like you have got the visa and now you are about to go, and that's the main feel. I felt like it's a good thing to get the visa, but in front of like I am about to leave my family for a good time, so that's again the nervousness for me.
Yeah, of course, it's not easy for the parents to
Right.
let their children go like that.
I agree.
She must be very sentimental at this time, right?
Yes.
चलो, that's amazing. और बाकी family members की भी इसी तरह के reactions आपको मिले होंगे.
Up until now, the whole family is happy, but I know when they will just come up towards my airport and all the departure things, they will be like,
So you start crying.
and start crying. Like previous time I went for Dubai, they react the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice, that's right. Really nice. तो इन दी एंड कोई ऐसा मैसेज धीरज जो आप उन स्टूडेंट्स को देना चाहो जो IT कोर्सेज से रिलेट करते हैं या अब्रॉड जाना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली जर्मनी जाना चाहते हैं, तो कोई ऐसे सजेशंस या मैसेज जो आप देना चाहें हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
To be really honest to you all guys, you should be go for your masters and higher education at any of cost. Like if you're being skilled, if you're being a good profession guy, but you should be a more higher education, and that's you have all the Ocean team and Ocean part of all the locations, so you should be go for your abroad studies. And I must say I recommend you all with guys with the good remarks, with the good stars and the good feedbacks towards my side, and I totally obey on it, so you should guys go.
Well, thank you so much, Dheeraj. Your words mean so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे हमारे साथ धीरज आहूजा जो जा रहे हैं जर्मनी फॉर हिज मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम. तो अगर आप भी अपना करियर आगे लाइक परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, लाइक स्टडी के लिए बाहर जाना चाहते हैं जर्मनी, USA या किसी भी कंट्री में, So please you can visit our Facebook, our YouTube and our Instagram for further information. क्योंकि जैसा कि धीरज आपसे कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको बाहर पढ़ने जाना है तो सिर्फ Ocean. And for free counseling sessions, please don't forget to visit us here, जिसमें आपको अपने करियर की सही से गाइडेंस मिल सके. Thank you so much.